see if we get some grapple movement going on here. Got a little emergency ditch cleaning kind of blockage we need to go take care of. So I know I need the 24-inch bucket. I'm gonna keep the grapple involved, and then to backfill it, we're gonna go ahead and use the big bucket. So I'm gonna take all 3 attachments, and I'm gonna need the pallet forks. Skid steer's on site. So we're gonna get all this stuff loaded up on the trailer quick. It's a little bit of a learning curve using this grapple versus Roto Beck on the other rig, but we'll get the hang of it. I don't know how much these buckets weigh. The shipping label probably tell me, but the old Kubota says that's some weight. We're just gonna detach her, leave the whole package on the trailer. Oh, just like that, she's all loaded down. Just gotta strap it down. Here, Emma. Emma? What? Are we having a 080 meeting? Who else did you hire for this emergency job? I stopped everything I was doing. I'm not gonna lie, there's a lot of 080s around this town. Yeah, this is my job. Kick dirt, boy. We have tone. Let's get this party underway. We need the little bucket to start off with. We got a collapsed trench over here. We need to put a little bit of pipe back in it. There we go. Calling your home. Oh, we're regenning right now too. The other day going on. There we go. Just had to hydraulically say, you're going home. So you're telling me you had a Home Depot delivery guy come through here with one of those big trucks and crush the pipe?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, he delivered that load of cement over there.
Yeah. Crush the pipe.
Crush the pipe.
I don't believe that. He's got all this real estate over there by the dog he could have drove, but he put it right on the edge of the...
Yeah, none of that was here.
Yeah. Yeah. Shoot.
You see, they crushed the pipe.
Yep, that's the crushed pipe right freaking there. Home Depot Crush Pipe Central. Got the new pipe in the back of your truck. Let me show you. Broke the pipe for X amount of feet. We had to dig up part of the drainage to make this happen. So we got some more gravel dumped out here, and I'm gonna dump it into this guy, and I'm gonna dump it straight in the machine. Or straight in the ditch. gonna need more than that, Hoss. That was a little scoop. Got another fresh scoop in there. He's calling for half a load there, though. Somewhere right there. This thing is quite a bit faster than the Mechalek as far as boom speed. First job with it, though. This is game changer kind of territory. You always see guys doing stuff like this. I'll have a little hopper, you know, something over there. He needs a dust mask. He was saying hoping the rain was going to deal with it. But Hoss is over there running the little blue guy. He just set her up. Backwards bucket mode. And it ain't hook onto it backwards. Just hook onto it normal and rotate it 180. Boom, boom. Compared to having to drive a machine in and out of all over that spot over there. Not like it really matters, but in some situations this would be absolute ideal. With this one, it just works out perfect this way. Yeah, I'm fired up to actually have one of these. So, the Engcon tilt rotator system or any of the tilt rotators, man, they're a flat out game changer. There you get another screw on there. Looks like a good one. Tilted me. No, it didn't. Hoss dug the trench, but he hasn't messed with the tiltator yet. They were wanting to just shovel it in there straight out of the wheel loader. I said, no. We got the tiltator now. I think I might get this load dumped and then have to move the machine. We got power lines up there we gotta worry about. You don't realize how often you actually got to tilt and rotate to maneuver for spots like this. Oh, it's raining right now. Look at that. Oh, my stick. Yeah, pipe's back in, covering her up. He's stuck in the old ways. He doesn't want to quite make the rotator do rotate stuff. He didn't get it. What happened over there? Look at that.
Half an hour later.
Can't even tell we were here, right? Well. We went ahead and rolled out of that little emergency project. They needed to get a travel trailer out of that backyard, and we were in the way, so we just kind of pushed it to the side, made it so they can get out of there. And this is the next project that we started with it, doing a French drain. And I'll tell you what, it is pretty neat to actually watch a time lapse of an Engcon working on one of my own videos. This is a treat. And I want to remind you, that job before we started it, the emergency one, that was the first time I'd really ran the Engcon. I might have had half an hour messing around with it in the yard, nothing production wise or anything like that. But next video will be this French drain, and we got some cement work and a bunch of other stuff to do on it. It's quite a little bit of a project, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think about the Engcon. Also, contact information for my Engcon guy if you're interested in buying one of these bad boys or getting a quote. It's in the description below. Thanks for watching.